Hello, welcome to Tallinn, Estonia. I had no preconceived ideas of Tallinn, but from what I've seen so far, it's gorgeous.
Definitely, yeah. We should go and explore.
Let's go for it.
Tallinn, the capital of Estonia, nestled just off the Baltic Sea in the Gulf of Finland. Tallinn was an unexpected jewel, with its fairy tale architecture, cobbled streets and friendly people.
St. Petersburg is only 200 miles to the west, and the Russian influence can be seen in its Russian Orthodox Church and history of occupation. Tallinn dates back to the 1100s, and Estonia only became a republic in 1990.
Despite its quaint, laid-back charm, Tallinn is a digital hub and the birthplace of Skype, as well as being the capital of culture in 2011.
With pavement cafes and bars at every turn, there are plenty of opportunities to sample local fare and watch the world go by.
I loved exploring the shops, which were full of beautiful treasures.
This really is an amazing place, isn't it?
Yeah, it's breathtakingly beautiful. And there's little quaint streets to explore, and it's a walled medieval city. It's lovely.
It's stunning, isn't it?
Yeah, and I love shopping as well.
We visited the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, and while an overzealous parishioner tried to get me kicked out for just holding a camera, Dan took these video shots in peace.
We had a really great day. I really recommend Tallinn.
Yes, it's. I might overuse the word fairy tale in Northern Europe.
You?
It really is like you've stepped back into London. What you've seen, it's just lovely. Definitely one for the bucket list.
Nestled within its ancient city walls, with its gatehouse towers still standing, it's no surprise Tallinn's Old Town is a World Heritage Site.